A nasty, annoying, vulgar, hurtful, demeaning or frustrating or even threatening email or SMS or chat on social network, instant messenger and WhatsApp has made the life miserable of young teenagers and young children. The cybercriminals or the pedophile can't face you in life. That's why they hide behind the walls of internet to harass and bully young children and teenagers. The mental agony inflates when they are continuously humiliated in front of peers, friends and bystanders. Many of them had even committed suicide because of the extreme mental pressure and humiliation. If you find an unusual peer pressure or threat of online social network or someone is humiliating or harassing you, please feel free to tell your parents, your teachers, women police officer or cyber cell, cyber police or cyber cop or nearby self-help group or NGOs. The cyber criminals will be punished for their wrongdoing. Do not be afraid of them. Be brave and be bold. Talk to your trusted ones and explain them the problem. They will help you and they will guide you in the right direction.